Hello Taurus. So this is your reading for the month of October, and this is a general reading. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. If you have Taurus in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. Okay. So what we have for Taurus for the month of October in love situation. Eight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Four of Cups, Seven of Swords, okay, Ten of Wands, Three of Wands and the Tower. Bottom of the deck we have Queen of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so Taurus, we have here the Queen of Cups. Here we have, it's your overall energy, Queen of Cups. So Queen of Cups is a feminine energy. If you are male watching this, you have feminine energy also, and it's a very mature energy you have, and also very loving and loyal, and it's also a very very empath person you are. And Taurus, you are just in a earth sign, so it's your nature to love everyone, and you are very grounded and very kind to everyone. So Queen of Cups is telling me here that you are very loving in your nature, and you are just doing a very kind gestures to your partner. But here the cards are telling me that, let's talk about this first card here. Maybe some communication has happened between you both, which is not good and which is not in your favor. Like, we have Tower here, and we have Four of Cups here, Five of Swords here, and this Seven of Swords, Ten of Wands. Like something like Eight of Wands is showing me here some communication happened between you both, you and your partner, which is not good, and also which brings Tower moment. It's a major arcana card which brings Tower moment in your life right now, and you are going through this moment because you feel rejected by that person. This Four of Cups, this is a feeling of rejection, this is a feeling of dishonesty, and also they are not accepting this cup of love from you, and some conversation is happened between you both, which brings this Tower moment in your life right now, and you are just thinking and thinking this all, like their intentions are not good towards you, because sorry, I am not going to just take what resonates with you. Okay, because what these cards are telling me, I am saying only that. Okay, so take what resonates with you. This 5 of swords and 7 of swords is telling me that someone is cheated. Like, it's a very trickery energy, this 7 of swords. Okay, it's a card of when it appears in your love reading, it's a card of trickery, some dishonesty. Maybe your partner is very manipulative. It's a card of manipulation, also dishonesty and deceit, cheating. So here something is hidden from you, and now it's revealed this is your current situation, or it is going to happen, but you are feeling right now this energy that something is not good here in your relationship. Okay, because this 5 of swords also telling me that like he or she is taking advantage of you, either for money or either for physical relationship, or just place to stay, or taking advantage of you. Their eyes are always wondering about, and something like that. This is not a good energy I am picking up here. And this 7 of swords is also mean that maybe this doesn't always mean that your partner is bound to cheat on you, but they may be being dishonest in other areas, such as how they are feeling towards you, and they are not ready to say this to you. Okay, so, and they see you as a 10 of wands is also not a good energy here, because if the 10 of wands is appearing in your love reading, and how, if your question is how they are feeling towards you, 10 of wands is not a good energy. It's always means that they see you as a troublemaker. Just maybe some fight occurs in your relationship, and maybe he or she don't want to, so so they see you as a 10 of wands, like you are troublemaker, and just always doing fights, and always a harsh communication between you two. So this all are, so something happened here which is not good for you, and you are in your tower moment right now. Exactly, this 4 of cups is clarified this by this tower, so I am saying this. And here one card is also 3 of wands, which is telling me that you have some distance between you two, and maybe some vocal exchange of emotions has happened, as we have 8 of wands also. So, and it's also a very positive card, like 3 of wands is also in love reading. It is saying that maybe it's a beginning of new relationship after this tower moment. Maybe it's a chance, it's a chance, 50-50 chances for reconciliation, or something like it's a vocal exchange of your emotions. This card is saying me that, so you will decide, but definitely something is happened here which is not good for you, and we have tower moment here. Okay, but maybe something new is going to happen in your life, Taurus. So now I will pull one card for as a card outcome for Taurus. One message for Taurus people for the month of October as an outcome and a guidance. Four of Wands, Hermit. Okay, it's a very, Four of Wands is my favorite card here. It's a card of celebration, marriage, proposal, commitment. We have Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck, and also we receive this Four of Wands. Maybe something new is coming towards you, Taurus. Okay, this is your existing one, but I am picking up on here that with this Knight of Cups we appear in your reading. Something new is going to happen in your life, which is very stable with this 11 card. And also he is coming or she is coming towards you. Maybe you know that person in your life, but something new is going to happen here. After this Tower moment, you will receive this Four of Wands. Okay, because this Tower moment is a destruction card. After all this destruction and after this all this negative energy in your life, you will receive this celebration, this wonderful 11 card. So as an outcome, this card is very positive in your reading, like and we have Hermit also. It's an enlightenment card. Five of Cups. Yes, you are not happy right now in your relationship with that person, but definitely the Hermit is an enlightenment card, and here this card is telling me that you are in search of that type of commitment. You are in search of, you are working on yourself, and you have done a lots of meditation and inner work. So you will receive this, and you will definitely receive this, because Four of Wands came as an outcome for your reading. It's a message of your spirit guide that yes, something long term, something stable is coming towards you with this Four of Wands. Maybe it's your twin flame or soulmate. Okay, so yeah, this is your reading. I will tell you the sign here presents. We have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and here fire sign is very strong, like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. We have Virgo here. Okay, and also we have with this Eight of Pentacles, we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. All the signs are present here, but the fire sign is prominent here. Okay, so yeah, this is your reading, Taurus. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. It gives us motivations to do more readings. And yeah, it's a heavy energy, but you can escape from this energy, Taurus. Just do some inner work and all for you to get this Four of Wands. Definitely nothing is impossible, so do this. Okay, so do this. Thank you so much.